Welcome to Quizzi. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Quiz Animal Edition. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome quizzes like this. Let's go! Would you rather pet a fluffy bunny or cuddle with a kitten? Both are adorable, but I can't resist the softness of a bunny's fur. Would you rather watch a squirrel or watch a chipmunk? Squirrel watching sounds nutty, but chipmunks have that Alvin charm. Would you rather swim with dolphins or snorkel with turtles? Would you rather have a pet hedgehog or have a pet ferret? Hedgehogs are spiky but cute, while ferrets are playful and curious. Would you rather meet a penguin or meet a seal? Would you rather own a pet bunny or own a pet guinea pig? Would you rather ride a pony or ride a donkey? Which would you prefer to saddle up? Would you rather have a pet hamster or have a pet gerbil? Would you rather feed a baby goat or feed a baby lamb? Would you rather watch a bird nest or watch a squirrel nest? Bird nests are delicate and fascinating, but watching a squirrel's nest might offer some unexpected entertainment. Would you rather have a pet parrot or have a pet cockatoo? Would you rather have a pet pig or have a pet chinchilla? Would you rather watch a kitten play or watch a puppy play? I love them both, I can't decide. Would you rather snuggle with a koala or snuggle with a panda? Both are irresistibly cuddly, but pandas have that extra dose of charm. Would you rather feed a baby elephant or feed a baby giraffe? Feeding either would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Would you rather observe a butterfly or observe a firefly? Would you rather be a cheetah or be a falcon? Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, but falcons are the fastest birds. Would you rather see baby turtles or see baby otters? Would you rather listen to bird songs or listen to whale songs? Would you rather have pets that are easy to train or have pets that are more independent? Would you rather play with a baby fox or play with a baby bear? Would you rather have pets that can swim or have pets that can climb? Would you rather be a lion or be a tiger? Which big cat would you rather embody? Would you rather watch a spider weave or watch a bee pollinate? Would you rather pet a baby sugar glider or pet a baby duck? Sugar gliders are tiny and adorable, while ducklings are fluffy and cute. Would you rather watch a squirrel climb or watch a monkey swing? Would you rather adopt an animal or buy an animal from a breeder? Would you rather watch a cat nap or watch a dog nap? Would you rather feed a baby panda or feed a baby kangaroo? Would you rather have a long-haired dog or have a short-haired dog? Would you rather visit a butterfly garden or visit a hummingbird sanctuary? Would you rather watch a cat chase or watch a dog fetch? Would you rather have a pet tortoise or have a pet iguana? Would you rather play with a baby lion or play with a baby hippo? Lions roar, hippos splash. Which playful encounter would you choose? Would you rather have a clownfish or have an exotic fish?